You're recording.
Okay, so you take the two sheets, you lay them on top. Then you fold one sheet back halfway. They fold nicer than paper. And you butter it. And then you lay it over top. And you fold this back. And you butter it. And you lay it back over top. And then you butter it. And then you take your knife and you cut it in half. And in half again. Keep going in half until you have 8 strips. Now this is smaller than a sheet of phyllo dough, so your strips will be about this big. Oh, maybe I should do it this way. Yeah, because it's about that big. So your strips will be about that big. Okay, and then you take your little bit of filling and you put it there, right in the corner. And you take this and you fold it into a triangle. And then you flip it up and then fold over. And then up and over and up. And you keep going till you get to the end. And then you fold it and put the fold down. And because it's dough, it'll be stuck in a little triangle like that.